many days could you survive without working? The uncomfortable reality is that a massive percentage of high-earning professionals couldn't even make it past 30 days. The core issue isn't how much you earn, it's how much you actually keep. Take a common scenario. Let's call him Prem. He earns a decent $25,000 a month, but $20,000 of that is instantly swallowed by EMIs and credit card minimums. Yet he lives in a fake comfort zone, constantly telling himself everything is fine, as the debt quietly piles up. Escaping this cycle of denial requires treating your wealth differently. You have to stop viewing money as just a salary you spend and start engineering it as a mechanical system that operates in the background. This is exactly what investor Warren Buffett has advocated for his entire career. He champions a highly effective wealth-building strategy known as the 15% rule. True financial growth begins the exact moment you stop lying to yourself about your current reality and start building a definitive system to fix it. We routinely see two major threats wipe out the middle class. First, there's the worker like Syed, who is suffocating under a mountain of consumer debt despite a good salary. Then there's Neha, who lost her job and realized her entire life was funded by a single point of failure. Relying entirely on a single corporate employer is incredibly fragile. When a company downsizes, that sole income stream vanishes overnight, leaving you completely exposed. To eliminate the debt side of this equation, financial authority Dave Ramsey offers a proven mathematical approach. This diagram illustrates the snowball method. You organize your debts from smallest to largest and attack the smallest balance first. Once that's cleared, the freed up capital cascades into the next bucket, building the psychological momentum you need to wipe out the larger loans. But getting to zero balance is only half the battle. You also have to build financial redundancy by developing multiple income streams, whether that's taking on freelance work, content creation, or launching a side business. Escaping this dual trap requires a two-pronged attack. You eliminate the downward pull of high-interest debt while simultaneously weaving a robust safety net of diverse income sources. Consider Anand, a high-earning professional who felt completely secure until a sudden medical emergency, combined with a lack of insurance, drained his accounts and forced him into deep debt. He was standing on a glass floor. To prevent a catastrophic fall, you must build a dedicated emergency fund. The strict rule here is that this account must hold between 6 and 12 months of your basic living expenses. It is crucial to understand that this cash is not an investment. You do not put this money into risky stocks. It belongs in a highly liquid, easily accessible savings account or fixed deposit, where you can reach it instantly. An emergency fund is not designed to make you rich. It is pure financial armor, constructed specifically to protect your primary wealth-building system from being derailed by life's inevitable disasters. This chart shows the trap of lifestyle inflation. As an employee named Rohit saw his salary drastically increase over the years, his expenses rose to match it perfectly. He bought the expensive phone and the new car on EMIs, leaving his actual wealth at zero. The only reliable way to beat this is to automate the 15% rule. You route a minimum of 15% of your income directly into investments before you even have a chance to spend it on lifestyle upgrades. But once you start saving, you face another danger. An investor named Arshi surrendered control of his hard-earned money to self-proclaimed experts pushing a lucrative scheme, only to discover it was a scam that wiped out his entire community's savings. This highlights a non-negotiable principle. You must never put your money into a financial product or business that you do not thoroughly understand yourself. Every final decision rests on your own research. Automation prevents impulsive spending, and constant education acts as the only reliable shield against the mistakes or greed of others. Even if you automate and educate, you still have to master your own psychology. An investor named Amit set up his monthly index funds, but the moment the market dipped and his portfolio flashed red, he panicked and pulled everything out. It is easy to get swept up in the noise. Financial markets are chaotic environments that naturally drive people toward emotionally charged, irrational decisions. As Buffett famously notes, the stock market operates as a highly efficient device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. If you can maintain your consistency, the counterintuitive reality is that market dips become highly advantageous. They are brief windows where you can acquire more shares at a heavy discount. Wealth is built through relentless time in the market, not by attempting to perfectly time the market. Consistency is the engine that actually makes the 15% rule work. This graph shows an exponential compounding curve over a 15-year timeline. By investing a minimum of 15% monthly, the slow initial buildup eventually curves sharply upward. At this stage, your money reaches critical mass, transforming into a self-sustaining asset generating continuous income. A robust financial system buys back your time. It provides the autonomy to make choices based on interest rather than survival, and a peace of mind that comes with true security. By identifying these traps and enforcing these rules, you transition from a worker dependent on a paycheck into an owner of a self-sustaining system. If this breakdown gave you a clearer view of your financial reality, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more systems that protect your wealth. And if you are ready to start building those multiple income streams today, click the video on your screen right now. We break down 6 highly resilient small businesses you can start building immediately to secure your financial redundancy. I'll see you over there.